If you are having problems charging your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then there's actually a very simple solution. So either when you insert your cable into your phone, it doesn't want to charge at all, or it's maybe charging incredibly slowly, or you can't even properly insert your cable because it's not fitting all the way in, or the connection is very loose and it keeps disconnecting all the time. So the most common problem why this happens is you simply have something stuck inside your Type-C port of your phone. So essentially the most common cause is when you are simply placing your phone in a pocket. Basically you probably have a bunch of lint in your pocket, a lot of dirt, and essentially every time you place in your pocket, this lint can actually find its way into this charging port and plug it in essentially. And also if you basically keep charging your phone, so with the lint inside, as you are basically pressing in the charger, inserting the charger, that's also going to even stuff it even further. And again, with time, you might not even properly be able to insert your cable to charge your phone. So very simple solution for this problem. So we can simply take a few basic tools, such as maybe toothbrush, like a blower, and also the tiniest needle you can find, so like a sewing needle. So again, find the tiniest one. Unlike maybe on the past like lightning port iPhones, the space actually isn't very large on these new ones with Type-C. So again, we have to use the absolutely tiniest sewing needle to do this. First, let me show you what actually the inside of the port looks like and how we are going to clean it. So this is your port, and in the middle you have a strip basically that has a bunch of tiny pins, maybe like 9 or 10 of them, that essentially connects to the cable and transfers the data and also transfers the power for charging. So again, we do not obviously want to damage these tiny pins, otherwise again you might need to replace your port. So again, what we are going to do is we are simply going to take this tiny needle here and simply scrape along these very edges, and with a scooping motion at the end, try to get any junk that comes out essentially. So again, stick to this side and also this side. Also, I do not suggest you to go over the corners because usually there's not much space. For the corners, I suggest you to actually follow up with a toothbrush literally, so without problems probably. Also, you can literally take your phone as well and simply inspect first inside how it actually looks inside, so and see the condition of. So in a lot of cases you might probably already see with a flashlight very well. So and then to clean it, so again, I'm simply taking my needle here, so while holding your phone like this, so all the junk keeps falling out, I'm inserting my needle here like this and scooping out anything that comes out. So again, keep to the edges only, and again, keep your phone obviously like this, so everything falls out. Again, on the other side as well, so just keep inserting all the way and scooping out whatever comes out. After that, you can, for example, follow up with a blower to blow out anything that comes out. Any way how you can actually blow inside. And again, toothbrush also is very good, so to dislodge any of the particles, stuff that might be stuck inside. So follow up with a toothbrush and again with a blower while holding your phone like this to blow out anything that flies out. And again, I suggest to repeat this maybe like 2 or 3 times. So with a needle, insert and scoop everything out. Maybe you can even ask someone to hold the flashlight for you while you also do it. So you can even visually inspect what's actually happening inside and how you are doing. So again, this in my opinion is the best tool for this job. With a needle, toothbrush and any other way how you can blow inside, and it should solve most issues. Also, I suggest you to also pay attention to your cable quality if it's still good. Over time, obviously these cables can wear down, especially inside they have tons of different strands that makes up the whole cable essentially, and with time, as you keep bending, some of the stuff might break inside. So also maybe try another cable. Also, when you actually insert the cable in your phone, if everything is okay, so your port is clean and also cable is good, again, you should be able to even hang and dangle around the phone without any problems whatsoever. So see, it's actually very secure hold. So you can even test for this if that also is okay. But for most people, again, needle plus blower should solve like 99% of problems. Okay, like